Hi everyone, this is me. I'm the first time doing the live stream, probably since last year or maybe even more. So if you want to support me, just click the help button and cheer me up. So I wanted to just go live to see you guys and tell you a little bit how I'm doing now. So if you are new here, I'm originally from Ukraine and I recently moved to Poland because of war. So I had to pack my things into 2 suitcases and 2 backpacks, and I took only 2 cats with me and my husband, so we are currently in Warsaw, Poland. And this is my new workspace. It's a cute workspace, just a little space for me, and I'm slowly getting back to my projects which I was working on, so I just wanted to see you guys and talk a little bit. So yesterday was a bit stressful day because it was a huge missile attack to Ukraine again, and it was more than 90 rockets landed on different cities and places in Ukraine. My relatives and friends are still there, so we are worried, even we are not in Ukraine right now. So. And yeah, that case when the 2 of the rockets landed in Poland also was scary for us. So today I'm like getting back to work, trying to work, and I was looking on the different projects which I was working and wanted to show you guys if you are new here, so you will see what I'm working on right now. On Patreon, I'm working on this project. This project I started in summer actually, but it is a complicated project. It's like advanced level of embroidery, and I'm working on the video tutorials for this. I make detailed videos for this bird. It's a thread painting based on the photo of the bird. I was drawing this sketch on the vacation in mountains, and I was inspired by those birds, and especially because they have 2 colors, blue and yellow, the colors of Ukrainian flag, so it's even more symbolic for me to stitch this bird. So I'm getting back to this project. All the video tutorials and pattern for this with step-by-step instructions and everything you need to stitch it is available on Patreon right now. So you can join me on Patreon, the link in the video description, and my profile on Instagram. You can have access to this and stitch it with me. I have already videos which are not edited yet, so I'm going to be editing those videos and make a voiceover, and I'm also gonna stitch this part with flowers and make a video for this as well. And I also have a project for donations. You can exchange this pattern to your donation to any kind of charity program for Ukraine. And you can get access on it on Patreon as well if you will join me on Patreon. So you can choose whatever you like. Yeah, I have videos already recorded for this project on the editing process, not finished yet. So and I'm gonna be stitching and recording other flowers as well, and make videos. They all available on my YouTube channel. I was working on this project this summer and I didn't finish it yet, so I'm planning to make videos for this. This is interesting project because I want to tell you, I want to explain how I'm stitching and economic way, you know, to do not spend a lot of threads. For example, you can see that for the sunflowers all the petals are filled, and on the back side you can see on this side that there is not much threads spent on this side. So I want to make a video about that, about this technique I used. So this is also was on hold, so I need to start working on this project, and that was just practicing different leaves, and I used this on my sampler guide book kit. So I made a page only about leaves, so we will be like practicing leaves, and I'm gonna be making videos about that. And also I did today a very important thing. I launched my sampler guide book kit. It's a big kit. It's in a big box. I'm gonna show you. This is the box. If you remember, I was running a sampler guide book project, and this is a chain stitch page which is in progress, and I'm gonna be making videos about them, and I already have video tutorials for those pages. This is outline stitches, different kind of stitches. We started from the simple stitches and we are moving to more complicated stitches in hand embroidery that you can use in hand embroidery. So you can learn basically from the first page with no practice at all in embroidery, and you will be learning during stitching this book. So the next page was a blanket stitch and its variations, and video tutorials is already on my YouTube channel. You can take a look on them. And the next page was lazy daisy stitch. So different variations, and we practicing it those stitches also using different amount of floss, and you can see how the leaf and flower looks like using different amount of floss. And you were gonna be practicing this lazy daisy stitch making different kind of flowers, so you can like figure out what this stitch can be used for. And yes, we also have a French knots page. The video is also available on my YouTube channel, and here on this page we were practicing watercolor painting on fabric. There is a separate video about that, and you are going to be practicing how to make French knots properly. I have a video about that with all the popular mistakes which people can make when they are trying to make French knots, and so I walked you through all those mistakes, and you can learn from them and finally learn how to make French knots properly. So this is the page for French knots. You can see a lot of objects to practice French knots, and this is a really fun page to make. One of my favorite pages, actually. We have finally a big box for my sampler guide book project, and this is actually a heavy box because it has a lot of materials, and I want just to show you how many materials it has, and you can now order it from my website. I will leave the link in my profile and in my stories, and I will also make a post on my Instagram, so with explanations how to order it. So we have here all 12 pages with pre-printed fabrics. It's already printed on the fabric, so we have 12 pages. And the first page is custom. You can make, we can place your name here. So when you open the book, you will see the first page and who it belongs to. so it's really like personalized page. And next we have here fabric for the book cover. It's gonna be a really nice soft book with cover. I chose this soft fabric, and it's cute, and it's really like pleasant to touch, so we are going to be making a book cover using this fabric. And there is also a floral fabric for the inner part of the book cover. It's gonna look nice. I'm gonna make a video tutorial for how to like make the book, like you are going to be sewing it together using all the materials from this kit. And I will record a video how I made my book cover and how I like sew all the book together, so you're gonna have a tutorial about that as well. There is one more additional piece of fabric. You're gonna have here a full set of needles, different sizes to try with different amount of floss during your stitching. There is also a cute book corners. You can see it's gonna look really cute. And we also will decorate the front side of the book. I will make different designs of embroidery you can put on your book and decorate it, and you can make some letterings on the book using metallic threads. I put two kinds of metallic threads here. This is white and pink, high quality metallics, so you're gonna have something to play with when you're doing your book cover. It's like a separate journey, I would say. And for the book cover I put those beads. You can decorate it with those beads and those laces, so it's gonna be really cute. And I put some dot card with watercolor, which we are going to be using for French notes page, and another page which is in the end of the book. And you will also have a brush for painting on the page. Also, you will have 20 skeins of embroidery floss. There are plain colors and multicolored threads, different colors. It's gonna be enough threads for entire book, and most of those colors I use it in my pages, so you have all the colors which I use as well. And you will be able to choose the hoop color. There are 3 colors, yellow one, and I also found those 2 cute colors, pink and purple, lavender color, as you want. So you can choose the hoop color which you want. This is a big hoop. It's a Nurch hoop, high quality hoop. It keeps the fabric really tight, and I really love it. It's high quality hoops, and you will be like really satisfied with them when you will be working on the fabric. You will not need to stretch the fabric again and again, because they keep the fabric really tight. I'm really surprised of those hoops. And you also have cardboards. I put 2 heavy cardboards for the book cover. They are heavy, and this is for the book cover. And there's also 15 cardboards for the book pages. And there is going to be a cute scissors like this one, rose gold, just as an accessory for you to work on your project. And I really like having those cute scissors in my work, so I put those in your book kit too. There is also going to be a tube with long needles, which we are going to use for Brazilian embroidery. There is going to be a page with flowers, with different kind of flowers, and there are going to be also volume flowers, which we are going to be using different Brazilian stitches and techniques. So I have put those long needles as well. So this is the big embroidery kit which I prepared for you. I have them in a limited quantity, so you just need to hurry up and buy it for yourself, because it's a really limited quantity, and as I move it, I don't have an ability to make a restock for this kit yet. Maybe in the end of the next year I will see. So that's it what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you liked my live stream, and if you have any questions, I will save this live stream and you can ask me in the comments any question you like. I will answer all the comments, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!